One of the major trends in the food industry the past years is plant-based. The number of plant-based foods is constantly increasing. Not only vegetarian products, but also vegan products. A vegan diet means, according to the definition of the Vegan Society, a diet avoiding all animal foods, such as meat, including fish, shellfish and insects, dairy, eggs, as well as avoiding animal-derived additives and ingredients. Like all other food products, products that advertise being vegan must be checked for this during or after production to protect the consumer from fraud or mislabeling. The European V label defines in its guidelines for unintentional traces of animal residues a limit of less than 0.1% of animal ingredients. So you might be interested to have an analytical method that is sensitive enough to detect this low level of animal ingredients even in processed food. The SureFast Vegan Kit is a multiplex qPCR to simultaneously detect animal and plant DNA in food samples. The system is cost efficient and highly sensitive with an LOD of 0.001%. As said, the kit detects plant DNA as well. The PlanSpecific system serves as a DNA isolation control and makes sure you actually isolate the DNA, so you will have a valid result. The included positive control, which comprises 0.1% of bovine DNA, can be used as a reference to set the detection threshold, so you can be in compliance with the 0.1% threshold according to the vegan label. SureFast Vegan makes sure, in a fast and easy way, your vegan product is indeed free from animal DNA.